Hi guys. I just wanted to walk through this week's assignments because some of you are having questions and I just want to clarify. So I feel like the Jamie Oliver thing is pretty self-explanatory, especially since I already have about 28 people who have participated in this, give or take, because you have to reply to at least 2 classmates. Just so you know, this is how it shows up on mine. If I highlight the user, it'll show me like here, Leo only has 1, which means that he has only posted. That's it. I mean, he may have replied to somebody, but the chances of that is low. He probably just put his own post and he hasn't replied to anybody else. And so the people who have 3, most likely they have replied to others. And then I'll go through and double check and I'll read everything you wrote. I have been commenting on things. I hope that's okay with you. It's weird not being a teacher and not being able to do anything. So thank you for completing that. If I go back out here, it is based on student progress. So if you're wondering why things are saying you're checked off or not checked off, it's based around, here I'll show you what I've assigned you to do. So for example, the video you have to view, and then you have to submit the discussion, make a submission. The discussion, you have to post a comment. And that's how you get through the whole thing. So I hope that makes sense to you if you're doing that. My plate Webquest, if you come to a problem with this, my plate is going around and around and around in circles with issues on their stuff. Now, some of you have already turned this in. And I haven't had a chance to check, but please ask if you have any questions because this Webquest might be confusing, especially if they've changed their website in the past few weeks, because I did this before school started. You know, I created and edited this Webquest. It can be confusing, so just ask if you have questions. 6 essential nutrient notes. The notes are there for you, like the slideshow, and the notes are... oh, sorry. This is just a slideshow. You're going to get the page with the notes. I forget I'm editing that, but that's okay because we can do that later. I'm just going to go next. You're going to choose one of these nutrients in order to sign up. So I already have Stephen pick something, which is great. That means that you can get to it. I just don't have a whole lot of you already signed up, so I was worried that maybe you didn't understand or that you couldn't get to it. So I'm hoping you know how to do this and get to it. Of course, you have to do this in order. Nutrient superhero. This assignment obviously is something that you would do in class, but I've kind of tweaked it, and so you have to do it at home in order to do it at home. This says page of the text, which is confusing for me even, but this is something that is available to you on your slideshow. So you can find the category that the nutrient belongs to in the slideshow. Really, that just means which 6th essential nutrient is it a part of, okay? Again, that might be confusing. Please let me know. So you're signing up for your nutrient. This does need to be done on a piece of paper. It is supposed to be done on actual, in front of you, paper with resources, with school supplies. And I would like it to look like a comic book. As far as that, it can be one scene or it can be multiple scenes, like something is happening in scene after scene. But as long as you're completing the rubric and you're getting the criterion, you're good to go. Then you'll take a picture and submit it. Picture using your camera or your phone is fine with me. Then you're going to upload those pictures here to the media album. So you would add media after you've downloaded it to your computer. In order to do that, just so you know, if I go to, that's silly. If I go to, I was trying to find a picture. Well, I have video, but if I find a picture here, I got you guys, don't worry. My drive. Here's personal. Here we go, pictures. And we'll go to Benjamin. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick one of these. There we go, picture of me and my son. If you go up here, so I put it on my Google Drive and I go right here and download it, that's gonna put it down here on my computer and then I can upload it from there, okay? So add media. If I've just recently downloaded it, I can literally click this and just drag it up until it's green It says complete, add media, boom. Oh, it's sideways, but I can fix that later, okay? So once you've done that, then make sure you caption it. So you can either edit caption here, or when you first put it in, it did say add caption. Edit caption here, and then I'm going to caption it. This is not my nutrient superhero. It's kind of weird that I have a superhero type shirt on. That's weird. Oops. You're going to caption it with something about your superhero, like tell me about it. Who is it? X-Man, he does this. And then you can use these pictures to help you on your quiz, which is going to be next week. Okay, I hope all that makes sense because that should be it. I was just making sure. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps. If it doesn't, you know where to find me. Thursday, 1:45. Let's meet.